turn a regular size cardstock piece of paper into this cute little gift bag. All that's coming up next on Crafting with Nyler. I'll tell you one thing that I did do while I was in quarantine. I got an opportunity to replenish my soap stash because I make my own homemade soap because my skin is super dry and I like to have oils in my soap. Whenever I give them as gifts to my friends, I like to put them in these really nice little envelope pockets. It has my design name, of course, and then the soap bar, and then it has the title of the soap. And then the thing I like about it is up underneath you get the ingredients put right here in this little 1-inch block right here. So I'm going to show you a really simple and quick and easy way if you are a soaper and you want to put your soaps in really cute little box dispensers that are really simple and easy to make. So to start with, I have a regular, I think this was 65-pound cardstock. And I'm using my scoring tool, which makes this so much easier. You can do this without the scoring tool. I'm going to show you how to do it with the scoring tool, and I'm going to show you how to do it without it if you don't have one. But I'm going to line this up, and to fit my soaps are about 1 inch thick. They might be just slightly a little bit bigger. I cut them a little bit bigger this time, but for the most part, they're about 1 inch thick. So that's what I'm basing this on. The bottom is that it's 1 inch thick. So for starters, we're going to make the sides of the bag. And the sides are, we're going to measure 2 1/8 and score that. The next one is going to be 6 3/8. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 3/8. Now that'll give us the sides. So now we want to rotate it and turn it sideways. And now we have to do that little 1-inch spot in the middle. So we know that this is 11 inches. So we know it's 5 inches this way and 5 inches this way. So we're going to do the mark at the 5-inch mark. And we're going to do a mark at the 6-inch mark. And that gives me the 1 inch that I need for my soap. And then all you're going to do is just score on all your marks, or just, you know, use your boning tool to kind of flatten them down. And this is what I'm doing, just turning. I'm doing the sides first. Doesn't look like much now, but it's going to be a really cute little bag. And you can actually put gifts in these little bags. They don't have to have soap. You can put gifts. And now I'm going to fold up and score the sides. I mean the bottom and the top. Do the same thing. Score. So now you see that it looks like a 1 inch in the middle there. So now we're going to take these side pieces here, and I'm just going to take this and fold it down like this. And I'm going to bring it down to the front. Make sure you get it right at the crease there. And fold it down, and then just crease it on the inside like this. You can use the bone folder to crease that down, and do the same thing on the other side. So you just kind of folding it down, making sure that point gets there to that fold, and bring it down and line it up. And then do the same thing here. Score there, and then same thing here. Fold it down and score here. And then we're gonna fold this down like this, score it like so. Okay, and now you have this cute little opening in the middle. When you fold it up like this, it becomes a cute little gift bag. So you could actually put, you know, things in here that, let's say you want to give someone some sticky notes. You can put your sticky notes down inside there, and it holds in place. They don't come out. That's what I love about it. Is whatever you put inside of it, it doesn't come out. And now if you wanted to, you could actually take some decorative papers and put paper on the outside and decorate this little box. And there's all kinds of little things you could put in here and it lock it in place. Now, to make it without using the scoreboard or the scoring tool, I'm going to show you how to make these without it. You're going to start with the long ways of the paper, and you're going to bring both ends up together, right smack in the middle, just like that. and then score them with your thumb. Okay, and then you're going to open it back up. Now you can use a ruler if you want, or a seam gauge. I'm going to use my finger because I know from my fingertip to this joint is 1 inch, and that's just guessing. So I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to put my finger right there, and I'm going to measure 1 inch, and then I'm going to press it down on this side, just like that. And then I'm going to flip it and do the same thing on the other side. Bring it over to about 1 inch. And then press it down. And now you have those same scoring marks. They don't look as neat because the scoring board makes it nice and crisp. But it'll still be okay. Same thing here. Press down using your finger or your fingernail. Your fingernail will get them nice and scraped too, but I've kind of lost my fingernails, so they're not doing as good. And then fold this one down like this. And down like this. And as simple as that. And now you have the exact same box. One was made with the boning or the scoring board, and one was made freehand. And they both come out about the same. As you can see, the bottoms look pretty much identical. Mine might be slightly off, just slightly, but that's just based upon that measurement because I didn't use a measurement. But that's how simple and easy it is to make these cute little gift bags, and you can put little things inside there. I'll tell you one thing these are good for. I don't have a credit card, but let's say, for instance, this was a gift card. You could put a gift card in here and turn this into a nice little gift card holder. So I hope this tip has been helpful on how to make this really simple cardstock gift bag. I hope you try it. Happy crafting.